100% polyester. Imported. Ultra soft kids accent pillow for bedroom decor, nap time, travel, car rides, and imaginative play. Mix and match with a variety of bedding, bath, storage and decor products from the Amazon Basics Kids collection for easy decorating. Made in an OEKO-TEX Made in Green factory, an independent certification system that ensures textiles meet high safety and environmental standards. Spot clean only, no bleaching. Top reviews from the United States. Great pillow. I love this pillow. It's the perfect size, it's pretty and soft, and it's going to go beautifully inside my granddaughter's Valentine's Day package that I made for her. I love this pillow and I highly recommend it.